Kama we ni mtu wa anime, now this is for you. Hi guys, my name is Mswahili. I make custom rugs. As you can see here today, we are making a custom KAWS rug all the way from scratch using a tufting gun, as you can see here. Now guys, if you are interested in making a carpet or a rug of a very unique design, or you want to stand out in your neighborhood or in your friend circle, now I have you covered, because I can make you a rug or carpet of your own design, your own time, taste, and your own style. Okay, so you don't have to be basic like your neighbors or your visitors. Yes, and also if you're even much further into all this and you're interested in making your own rugs, well, I still got you, because I have tufting classes for anyone interested, because I am the tufting teacher. Okay, yes. So as you can see here, this is a KAWS rug. KAWS has been trending all the way from Pinterest, social media. So kama uju KAWS, I really can't explain, but this is 3/4 all done, all left to the hands. And hey niaje, now I make custom rugs. As you can see here today, we're making a custom KAWS rug, which is in category of anime rugs, using a tufting gun all the way from scratch. Now guys, if you are interested in making or customizing your own rug of your logo, a logo of another brand, a logo of maybe something you like, I have you covered, because I can make it for you. Okay, also if you're also interested in learning and interested in knowing what I do, I have tufting classes for you, so you have to look no further, because I got you. Okay, now guys, if you like this video, kindly stay tuned, tell a friend to tell a friend, and also like this video and share. Okay, thank you.